think a part of it is a very happy city.
I've seen people come here with their life savings, blow it in 1 hour.
People from around the world get to come here and have fun.
And I've seen people walk into a gas station to buy a Coke, put a dollar machine, win $2 million, and they're the happiest person.
And so I do think we promote happy and fun.
You know, Vegas was built on dreams, so everybody comes here to live their dream.
Vegas, baby, nije za one slabijeg srca. Sve je ovdje na steroidima. I zabava, i kockarnice, i hoteli, i neonske reklame, i blještavilo, i sve radi od 0 do 24. Ovo je grad instant sreće, instant ljubavi, grad pobjednika i gubitnika, sve ili ništa, gas do daska. And don't forget Joker.
Neonska oaza usred pustinje Mojave. Oko nje grtuše, pauci, škorpioni, opasni kaktusi koji bacaju bodlje ako im se previše približite. Kao da je i priroda u Nevadi teška mafija. Idealno mjesto za grad grijeha. S protokom vremena griješnicima su se ovdje pridružili i sveci. Počela su se rađati djeca, pa danas Las Vegas ima 2 lica. Jedno za svijet u kojem nema limita, a drugo u granicama normale. Što još stanovnike Vegasa veseli? Automobili, motori, kamioni. Ovdašnje ceste su dušu dale za kotače, samo da se vozi i da se stisne gas. Bicikl je ovdje endemsko prijevozno sredstvo. Ne kaže se bez veze, a ako vidiš biciklistu u Vegasu, znaš da je ostao bez svega.
We are huge fans of Kustoms. Matter of fact, at home we have our DVR is set. So whenever it comes on, we record it, and though I've seen every show, I watch it again.
Eldorado za ljubitelja automobila i to onih s mišićima ili onih oko kojih su se neki kreativci potrudili da ga naprave jednim jedinim takvim. To je Vegas. U stvari, onda je to jedna jedina ekipa, ona koja se skupila oko slavnog i osebujnog automoto zaljubljenika. Jeste li gledali emisiju Counting Cars, oživljavanje starih automobila? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Danny Koker. And now I'm going to faint, okay?
So very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
No, I should say that. 10 sezona je snimljeno, 184 epizode. Velika vojska obožavatelja šoa redovito posjećuje Counts Customs muzej, gdje ako imaju sreće mogu nabasati na cijelu ekipu koju gledamo na malim ekranima.
Can you describe me? How big is that American obsession with cars and motorcycles and trucks?
Well, Americans, we're funny guys compared to you guys. We all are either overweight because we're addicted to food,
Okay.
or we're into our cars, or whatever it is. Americans, they go full nonstop.
All or nothing,
They're
yeah.
obsessed.
Yeah.
We get obsessed with anything and everything, and we won't stop till we get exactly what we want, and it's never enough.
Hi, Kevin.
I work on Fremont too, and usually in different costumes. It depends on a holiday.
Okay.
And then working out there makes people happy. They laugh, get those children to smile and everything. It's awesome. Here most of my life.
Yeah?
But being 67, I raised
You're
my family.
67.
Yeah, raised my family in South Lake Tahoe,
Okay.
and growing up here, I worked on stage here in Las Vegas and Reno, and many years ago. But then I retired and joined all the grandkids, all
Okay.
10 grandkids. Thank you, Jesus.
The competition is big, there are a lot of entertainers here in Vegas. So
Yes,
how do you put a limelight on yourself?
Well, they're all very good. They're
Yeah.
all talented people. They really do a good job and everything out there. They're just making people happy. They make what they can.
Yeah.
It's really good because they're really good people that helps other people. It's the way Vegas does. They always help each other.
Is it possible to, have fun and work here? Or you have to stay away from that, all of those parties,
That's a
just to
great-
have a clear
Good
mind?
question.
Yeah.
Great question.
Yeah.
When I work, for example, if we're working on Fremont Street, it's 2 or 4 hour sessions of work. And we see all the people partying, having fun, having a good time. We know we can't do that. It's not a big deal, but we've got used to it. Even the gambling part.
It's great to see the people from around the world that know us, they know our story, they know everything about us because they've watched us on TV for 13 years.
Grof Koker, osim što je domišljati i okretni biznismen, ujedno i glazbenik, frontman hard rock benda Counts 77. U njegovom rock klubu svira se samo hard rock. No prva glazbena asocijacija na Vegas su stara garda, Rat Pack i kralj Elvis. Danas na stripu dominira neka druga glazbena podloga. Talking about music, what would you say, what is the soundtrack of Las Vegas today?
Whew, it's really changed. My favorite era of Las Vegas was days gone by. Give me the Sammy Davis Jr.'s, the Frank Sinatras, the Engelbert Humperdinks, the Wayne Newtons. Give me the big showrooms with that big star. I love that. It seems today it's evolved a lot into things that just don't do much for me. It's a lot of interesting people bouncing around on rubber bands, dancing all over. I don't know. It just doesn't do it for me. It's a big country, you know what I'm saying? And you think back to historically, like in the 50s, when things were good and every family had a car in the driveway and used to drive across the country and hit the highways and do the road trips and do it as friends and do it as families. There became a love affair and obsession with cars. And it's freedom. Cars represent freedom. And that obsession and that love affair has never left this nation, and this nation has always been about the cars. And I get it. I love it. I feel the same way about it.
I think that's another big thing of why Americans are so car crazy, is we spend probably 60% of our life in a car.
Yeah.
Driving to work, driving to pick up your kids, your family, visiting people. Even though Vegas is a small town, it's still nothing that you want to do is where you live. You're still traveling. A grocery store is 5-10 minute drive.
You don't walk?
No. Nobody walks.
Why not?
You walk from the car into the store, then out of the store into the car.
Okay.
It's not like Europe. I mean,
Yeah.
I've seen the stuff over there, and it's a different lifestyle.
If you're going to be here in Las Vegas, you've got to find your niche. You got to find your thing. And even though we build cars and we build motorcycles and we build dreams for people, in a sense, there is a big form of entertainment with that as well. It makes people happy, and making people happy is something we love to do.